I want to review with you the three most likely questions that you would ask yourself if you were thinking about starting your own digital online business. These are questions that I ask myself. Number one, what would you sell? If you don't want to create your own digital product, if you don't want to spend the time and the research to come up with a product that you feel would be in demand, the most reasonable thing to do is to sell a product that has been already produced by somebody else, that's already been proven, and that we know is in demand. And you can do this through something called master resale rates, which has been around for a long time. It's similar to the Tim Hortons or Starbucks coffee, where the person that's investing in the business is able to sell that product to somebody else that had in demand, done for you, proven products that other people have made 6 and 7 figures with. Business that I've invested in has 4 done for you, in demand digital products. So you don't have to have a physical store, you don't have to have employees, you don't have to have insurance, and you don't have to deliver the product. It's all done digitally. And it's in the e-learning industry, a $1 trillion business by 2027. The second question you might ask yourself is, what sort of a profit would you get from the sale of that product? This business model provides you with 100% profit on the sale of those products. The previous digital business I was in, you only received about 25% profit from the sale of the product. So you'd have to sell 4 times as many products to profit as much as from one sale of the product with this business. So that's an important feature to determine before you choose what type of online business you want to work with. And number 3, who do you want to sell your product to? The person most likely to purchase your product is somebody that's in the exact same position that you're in. So maybe a younger version of you that would understand your reasoning for wanting this business at this stage in your life, and even more so at a younger stage in your life. For me, I wanted to be home with my son more and be able to watch him grow up instead of working full time as a career mom for nearly 30 years. I left my career when he was 16 because I was tired of missing so much time with him and knew that he only had about 2 years left before he would be going to post-secondary and leaving home. So I began looking online and came across this digital online business that a single mom of 6 kids started because she wanted more time to spend with her children. She started this business in September of 2022 and now is a multimillionaire after only nearly 3 years. When you look at the particular online business that you're interested in, really critique as to what is being offered. Some of the main points that you will need in a business is daily interaction, daily mentoring, where the founder invests their time and expertise into the business so that you're always learning as a beginner. We have mentorship in this program from multi-millionaires that mentor us every day with strategies and value tips that they've learned along the way. Another aspect of a business is to have a community. You need other people that are going to work alongside you that feel the same way you do as a beginner. Someone to encourage you, someone that you can ask questions with. We now have a community of 55,000 people that are like-minded entrepreneurs that are working right alongside you to help answer any questions that you may have and to support each other, challenging yourself not to give up and to believe that you're capable of running an online digital business. And you don't need that previous experience or expertise in the field of digital marketing to start and run your own digital online business. Thousands of people within our community have become 6 and 7 figure earners because of the strategies and the step-by-step training that this course has provided them. Like Lizette, who have made over $5 million in South African rand, and Daryl, who's lost his job in the corporate world and now has become a 6-figure earner with this business after having to spend time in the shelter after losing his job. If you're interested in hearing more stories and see how these people have made it, just click the link in the description below. And when it comes to how long you have to spend at your online business, once you get this business set up and running, you only need to invest 2 to 3 hours a day to make this business work. And we show you how to do that, what strategies to apply, and what you need to do within that 2-hour period to make this business a success. And if you're not tech savvy like me, we actually have an 8-member technical team that are there with you that meet weekly to answer any questions that you may have about the setup or the running of your business. They're there to answer your questions. That was a saving grace for me. And how you attract your clients is through attraction on social media platforms. And we teach you how to do that so that you're providing information on social media like I'm doing to you right now and attracting other moms just like me. In my case, will be career moms who want more time to spend with their family and to travel and make memories that are attracted to the content that I put out there. So they actually come to you. So there's no chasing clients, no tormenting friends and family. That was a big point that enticed me to start this digital business because I didn't want to have to chase the customer. So you get to spend a majority of the time doing the things that you love. Once you have developed your business, we even teach you how to do affiliate marketing where you benefit from the expertise of other online agencies that you use within your business, such as School, SKOOL, which is a platform where you can set up your free community and it helps run your business seamlessly. The link for that is below as well if you're interested. We are number one in engagement with the school community because of the interaction within our community. We use programs like Descript. Again, a link is available in the description below, which help us edit all our videos. We use Canva, which helps in editing our video and producing what we call B-roll like this. All the tools that you need, all the support and mentorship are provided within this business. It's a business in a box. If you're ready to start your online business and get back to your time and not work from 9 to 5, or if you're a new mom and want to be able to stay home with your child, click the link in the description below for the Freedom Blueprint on how to get started. Starting an online business isn't as complicated as you might think, and is more successful than you realize. Thousands of people of all ages are making this work, and this is the time to take advantage of the digital world because it's the future. Forbes has stated it was the fastest growing industry in 2024. So if you're on the fence about not wanting to go back to work, not wanting to spend majority of your time away from your family and have to do that for the next 30 years in order to be pensionable for an income, click the link below, join us, see if this is for you. It's less than the cost of the phone that you're watching me on right now. See if you can become your own boss and leave a legacy for your family.